Hey everyone, how you doing this morning? It's Marla. Hopefully everyone in my YouTube audience is doing well. This is going to be a very quick lip demo. I recently received a group of products from one of my favorite cruelty-free companies, Ofra. They make some of my favorite lip products, liquid lips, lipsticks, lip balms, and this is going to be a demo on what they call their lip care squad. It's a group of 4 lip products that's supposed to really do a lot of repairs on your lips and make your lips just look luscious and beautiful. So let's make this video really quick and get right into the demonstration.
This is what the Lip Care Squad package looks like. It says it makes light work out of repairing dry lips. This is what the packaging looks like of each of the sticks. I really think this white packaging is so pretty. This product was sent to me from Ofra for my review. Let me just line these up so you can see each of the lipsticks that I received. The first one I'm going to start with is the lip exfoliator. If you look at this, you can see little particles in there. Those are kind of the little rough granules. You're going to rub this lipstick back and forth on your lips, and it will remove all the dry, flaky skin from your lips while also moisturizing your lips with the lip balm. This is the Pure Vitamin E stick. That's going to help to eliminate any sun damage that might have affected your lips and also be used to protect against any UV damage and dryness. This is the lip gloss stick. It has a really nice minty scent and it's supposed to help with repairing your lips. You can use it as an overnight lip treatment or you can use it in the daytime over any lipstick. And then finally, if you want a little bit of rose tint to your lips, this is the Rose Lip Balm. The other thing I like about these lipsticks is they have a magnetic closure on the lid, so you can hear it snap closed so it won't open up in your purse and make a mess if you want to carry it with you. That's it. So let me show you these all in action.
Okay, I thought I would test out this Lip Care Squad kit. I love Ofra so much. Love that they're cruelty-free and all of their products that I've tried so far, I absolutely have enjoyed. But first, in this kind of lip repair system, what they suggest, I think, would be to use the lip exfoliator. This is going to get off all the dead, dry skin on your lips, especially out in Colorado. Really have to deal with a lot of dryness. This is really nice. I tried this last night. I don't really detect any scent. What I like about it is I've tried these lip exfoliators before and some of them felt like sandpaper on my lips. This has exfoliating little beads in it, but it also has some type of moisturizing balm in here for your lips. So it doesn't make a mess on my lips. It's not like flaking all over the place. It is a little gritty, which is great for getting off the dryness, but it's not so gritty that it feels like sandpaper. It is really, really nice. So I'm going to put this on my lips first. I don't know if you can hear that, but the little exfoliators are just kind of rubbing off all that dead skin. That feels so good. It leaves a little bit of moisturizing balm on your lips, and then what I do is I just wipe it off, and my lips are really smooth, but they're also a little hydrated because of the balm in here. Okay, I think the next one I'm gonna try is the vitamin E stick. This is supposed to help lips that have been affected by the sun. And that feels really nice. Nice and smooth, no scent, which is kind of nice, really. This is going to protect your lips from UV damage that you might have gotten from the sun and also protect your lips and help them from drying out, and does contain vitamin E. So that's a really nice balm to start out the day with before you put your makeup on. Or if you just want to go outside and not have anything on your lips but have a little bit of balm, this is really nice. Okay, the next thing in this lip repairing kit is the lip gloss stick. And this is supposed to have a little bit of a minty scent, which it does. Very mild, but it smells really good if you like mint. And you can put this on at night as a lip treatment. You can use it in the day, either alone, like a gloss, or put this over another lipstick. This is super, super hydrating. I just kind of love the way this lipstick looks. It looks a little bit like jellyish or something. This glides on so nicely. I would definitely use this at night to just kind of really hydrate my lips. That just slight minty scent is just really refreshing on my lips. So that is just the lip gloss. And the final lipstick in this lip repairing kit is this rose lip balm. Now this is going to give you a little bit of color to your lips. It smells so good. A little sweet, but not overpowering. Really nice. Does not smell like roses to me. Just smells a little sweet. And that's really nice if you want kind of a rosy look to your lips, but also something that's really going to hydrate your lips, make them feel soft, smooth. This is a really nice shade. It's not too red. Just gives your lips just a hint of rosiness, very hydrated. I love this Lip Care Squad kit. It has all the essentials you need in here to make your lips nice and soft and smooth. Definitely helps dry, dehydrated lips out. I will leave a link for this down in my description box. If I have any promo codes from Ofra, I will also leave them down there too. Take care, guys. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye from Marla.